Did you know that over 80% of car owners have no idea about half the features their car actually has? That means you could be missing out on hidden tricks that make driving easier, safer, and even save you money, and you already paid for them. Today, we're uncovering 10 secret car features that no one talks about. And trust me, once you know these, you'll wonder how you ever drove without them. Let's jump in.
Number 1. Remote key fob tricks. Most drivers only use their key fob to lock and unlock their car, but it's packed with hidden features that can make life easier if you know about them. For example, holding the unlock button for a few seconds can roll down all the windows on many cars, like Kia, Volkswagen, and Hyundai, making it perfect for cooling down a hot car. BMW, Chevrolet, and GMC allow you to fold in side mirrors remotely by holding the lock button. And if your car has a remote start, you might be able to start it without even knowing on Toyota, Lexus, and Mazda. Pressing the lock button twice, then holding on the third press will fire up the engine. While these tricks are cool, they also come with risks. Accidentally triggering the window function could leave your car vulnerable to theft, and relay attacks where thieves use signal boosters to trick your car into unlocking are a growing problem.
Number 2. Easy Fill Tire Alert. Filling your tires to the correct pressure can be a hassle, but some cars, like Nissan and GMC models, have a hidden feature that makes it foolproof. Instead of guessing or checking a pressure gauge, the car honks when the tire reaches the correct PSI. Just start filling the tire, and when you hear one honk, you're good. If you keep going and hear a second honk with flashing hazard lights, you've overinflated it. While this feature is incredibly helpful, most drivers don't even know it exists, and that's a problem. Many people ignore tire pressure altogether, and underinflated tires don't just lower gas mileage. They're also a major safety risk, leading to longer stopping distances and even blowouts. Studies show that underinflated tires contribute to over 600 deaths per year in the US alone. Number 3. Fuel cap holder. Ever seen someone let their fuel cap dangle while refueling? That small habit could cost you thousands in engine repairs. What most drivers don't realize is that every car has a built-in fuel cap holder, usually on the inside of the gas door or near the fuel filler. It's there to keep dirt, debris, and moisture from sneaking into your fuel system, which can lead to clogged injectors, fuel pump failure, and even complete engine breakdowns. A loose or dirty gas cap can trigger the check engine light and mess with your car's fuel efficiency. Over time, contaminants in your tank can lead to a $3,000 plus repair bill for injector replacements and fuel system cleaning, yet most people don't even use this simple feature. So next time you fuel up, use the holder. Number 4. Shift lock release. If your car battery dies while in park, you might think you're stuck, but there's a hidden feature most drivers don't know about. The shift lock release button lets you manually shift into neutral, so you can move the car without power. It's usually a small, covered slot near the gear shift, and you can activate it using a key or a flathead screwdriver. Most people don't think about this until they're in a bad situation blocking traffic, stuck in a tight parking spot, or needing a tow. Without this trick, you could end up waiting hours for roadside assistance. Yet, despite being a built-in feature in almost every automatic car, most drivers have no idea it exists. Number 5. Fuel gauge arrow. Ever pulled up to a gas station and had to lean out the window to check which side your fuel cap is on? Turns out, your car has been telling you the answer all along. Next to the fuel gauge on your dashboard, there's a tiny gas pump icon with an arrow pointing to the side of your car where the fuel cap is located. This small but super useful feature has been in cars for decades, yet most drivers don't even notice it. It's especially handy when driving a rental or a new car, no more second guessing or awkwardly pulling up to the wrong side of the pump.
Number 6. Anti-glare rearview mirror. Night driving can be brutal when bright headlights from cars behind you reflect directly into your rearview mirror, making it harder to see. But here's the thing, your mirror already has a built-in fix that most drivers ignore. That little tab at the bottom of your rearview mirror, flip it, and it instantly reduces glare, making nighttime driving much safer. This feature, known as the manual day-night mirror, has been around for decades, but many drivers don't even know it exists. For newer cars, auto-dimming mirrors do this automatically, using sensors to adjust brightness. Not using this feature means you're straining your eyes for no reason, increasing fatigue and reaction time. So when next time someone blinds you with their high beams, just flip the switch and drive safer.
Number 7. Conversation mirror. Ever tried checking on your kids in the back seat while driving, only to get distracted? Most SUVs and minivans have a built-in conversation mirror that lets you see passengers without turning your head. It's usually hidden inside the sunglasses holder above the rear view mirror. Just flip it down and you get a wide-angle view of the back seats. This simple feature is a game changer for parents, allowing you to keep an eye on kids without taking your eyes off the road. Yet, many drivers never realize it's there. Found in models like the Toyota Highlander, Sienna, Honda Odyssey, and GMC Yukon, it's a small detail that makes a big difference in safety and convenience. Number 8. Adaptive cruise control. Cruise control has been around for decades, but adaptive cruise control takes it to the next level. Instead of just maintaining a set speed, ACC automatically adjusts your speed based on the car in front of you. If traffic slows down, your car brakes automatically, and when the road clears, it speeds back up, all without you touching the pedals. ACC is a huge safety upgrade, reducing driver fatigue and preventing rear-end collisions. Studies show that ACC-equipped vehicles reduce crash rates by up to 50% in highway driving. But here's the catch. It's not foolproof. If the sensors get blocked by dirt, snow, or heavy rain, the system can fail, making it dangerous to rely on in bad weather. Most drivers don't realize ACC has these limitations, and using it in the wrong conditions can actually increase the risk of an accident. So while it's a fantastic feature, always stay alert and be ready to take control when needed. Number 9. Drowsiness detection system. Ever had that moment on a long drive where your eyelids get heavy and you start drifting slightly? Your car might already know before you do. The drowsiness detection system tracks your driving behavior, eye movements, and steering patterns to detect signs of fatigue. If it senses you're getting drowsy, it flashes a coffee cup icon on the dashboard or beeps to warn you. Fatigue-related crashes are responsible for over 100,000 accidents and 1,500 deaths every year, according to the NHTSA. But here's the issue. Many drivers ignore the warning or don't even know their car has this feature. Some systems, like those in Subaru, Mercedes, and BMW, even use cameras to track eye movement, making them even more advanced. But if you rely on it too much, it could create a false sense of security. No system replaces actually pulling over when you need rest. So if your car tells you to take a break, listening to it could save your life. Number 10. Night vision assist. Driving at night is risky. Pedestrians, animals, or objects can be nearly invisible until it's too late. But some high-end cars have a hidden advantage: night vision assist. Using infrared sensors and thermal imaging, this system detects people, animals, or obstacles up to 1,000 feet ahead, even in complete darkness. The thermal camera displays a live feed on the dashboard, highlighting anything warm that could be a potential hazard. Night driving accounts for more than 50% of fatal accidents, even though roads are less crowded. Most drivers don't even know this technology exists because it's typically found in luxury cars like the BMW X5, Audi A8, Rolls-Royce, and Mercedes S-Class. But here's the catch. It's not perfect. Heavy rain, fog, or extreme cold can reduce accuracy, and since it's mostly available on high-end vehicles, many drivers don't get access to it.